Hi, do you have a place where you can go and feel completely free? A place where you can just be and be present? That's my place. So, welcome to my world of creativity that is going to lead you to happiness. That's what I truly believe. And some people just go on and ask you, what do you hope to achieve in life? Just answer, be happy. And they still going on and say, okay, but what are you exactly doing? I say, being happy. And that is what I truly believe. If you are in your own space, you're using your own time, doing exactly what you do to do most. What I mean is doing exactly what you like to do most, that gives you happiness. And that is exactly my space. Now, like they say in Spanish, manos a la obra, down to business. The first thing we need to make our candle is going to be an image, okay? So I'm going to use my own painting. Look at it, very nice. So like that, I believe it's going to be really unique. I can't find another candle like this one because it's based on my own painting. So you can create your own painting or you can use any other image you want. That's your choice, okay? My own is so cute for cute MP deco. The second thing is to print that image into a tracing paper. I use an A4 size, okay? So it will be suitable for your printer. If you have a lighter paper than a tracing one, it will work better. Like when you are using serviettes, it's very easy to blend the image with the candle mentally together. The tracing paper is going to take a longer time, but like that it gives you the chance to use exactly the image you want. In a serviette is whatever you get in the market, isn't it? Good. Secondly, I'm going to use a candle. It's already made, so it will make my work easier. If you want to make your own candle in another channel, chapter, I will teach you how to make your own candle, or maybe you already know how to do it. Okay? Now place the image in the area you want it to be. All right. So I want it to be here. Please very, very sure where you want to place. And now what you need is baking a paper. I have this one. I got it in Asda. Good for the value. And put that paper on top of the image, okay? Like this. Be very sure that it's fixed and firmly hold so it doesn't move, okay? So now you need to lighten a candle and use a spoon. Now please remember, if this spoon, it shouldn't be an expensive one, because once that you use it, it's going to be condensed. You can't use it in the kitchen again. Look at how black my own is, okay? So you're going to hit the inner part this way. When do you know the spoon is ready to work? Is when you start seeing smoke coming out. So it's going to take a while. There's another method to do this work faster, but it's a bit dangerous, and that is using a heat gun. Like, let me see if I can show you. I have a heat gun here, like this one. All right, that makes the work actually faster, but you see now, you see now that the smoke is coming out, so it's ready to work. I will get back to you about the heat gun. Remember, my image has moved a little bit, so I'm going to place it again. And I'm going to apply firmly in the area, the spoon where we have not heated, okay? That's the silver side. Now, if you see it's becoming areas that is wet, you know that that area is already melting. That's very good. So you keep just doing this work like this. You hit it back. And be pressing. See, when you see that is the paper is getting wet, you know that the process is working and the area is done. Be careful, you don't apply too much so it doesn't melt your candle, okay? And that's what I was talking about using the heat gun. Yes, the heat gun is faster, but it can be dangerous, like I say. It can happen something like, let me show you what happened to this candle. You see this area was completely messed up, so I can't use this candle again. So that's why I prefer the method of the spoon. Is more, let's say, less professional. I don't know how to call it, but it's safer to me. And well, you're exactly doing what you like to do most, like I said at the beginning of my video. So I'm just enjoying myself. Like the song say, go, thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for pain, thank you for joy. It's a beautiful day, yeah, 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 beautiful day. So just be doing what you like and be happy, isn't it? Just keep going until most of it is wet. Like my own, I have some areas wet, but it's not ready yet, okay? So just keep going. This work requires a lot of patience and also to be very careful so you don't mess it up. After a while of applying some force with a heating spoon, you can see that now everywhere is wet. So I think it's ready to remove, okay? So I'm going to carefully remove the baking powder paper, and you can see it has stick most of it. So I'm going to use now a carton to smooth the candle and remove any imperfection, also some of the melted wax. Okay. And voila, the work is ready. The materials for this work will be listed at the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy. See you next week.